so we're gonna unhook this trailer right here. Alright guys, so we had to make a run to pick up some flooring. We ran out of the sticky tiles, and also we need some bulbs, and I'm gonna try and see if I get that power wash hose. So peel and stick. Alright, we're looking for barnwood, guys. Barnwood. Alright guys, so we got this for the toilet molding, and we got this for the and we got this for the.
I may be going crazy. How you guys doing?
Hey, how you doing? We got that right there. Picked up the tiles, picked up the hose and the edge guard. Alright guys, so we're at the post office. We sold some mounts on eBay, so we're gonna drop it. Drop it off. Alright, give me 1 second guys, let me go inside. Alright guys, so they had a drop box. We had a label already, so we just drop it in the drop box. We're at the post office. Here's the van. We're gonna pick up the load. I'm not going out, but we're gonna pick up the load from now. Alright, so in Walmart, trying to find an inverter. Yeah, we need an inverter to plug our cell phones in. The one that goes in the lighter. I don't think they have it though. Alright guys, so on our way from Walmart, we stopped by the restaurant to to take a look at some things. Pretty much we got right here. Bunch of stuff. Yeah. Just to check on it. After coming back from Florida, I didn't stop by. I haven't come over here to see if everything's alright, but I just stopped by just to check on it. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we got the wash bowls in. We're gonna get them assembled. That's what it looks like right here. This style wash bowl is a little bit different from the ones we normally get. There was none of the other ones in stock, so we end up getting this style. This style has a wedge type, while the other one was just a square. We're gonna get these assembled and then installed maybe tomorrow. And we got the bulb as well installed. So let's get to it.